Welcome to this James the Bike Guy. We're going to go over some of the upgrades to my 2019 Trek Farley 5. Now before we get started, we got to celebrate something really awesome. That's right, we hit 3,000 subscribers. So thank you so much for watching, thank you for subscribing, and to give back, I'm giving you a chance to win a pair of race face grips. In fact, I've got 3 pair of grips to win. So all you got to do is subscribe and comment down in the video section below, and 3 separate winners are going to win a pair of grips. Now you're going to have to be in the continental United States and I'll get them shipped out. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some of the mods for the Trek Farley. To make my Farley for me this year, what I need to do is put on this green chainring. So this is pretty cool. It's going to replace the black one, and the reason I'm doing it is there's some green theme on my new Farley. So just pop it right off, take it into the shed, use a bottom bracket tool to unscrew the direct mount chainring, replace it with the new green one, go ahead and tighten that puppy up, and then install it back on the bike with a torque wrench. Now, man, doesn't that look better? Of course, every fat bike should be set up tubeless, so we've got these wheels taped up. Just pour in some sealant, and then use the air compressor to make sure that it seats up, and finally finish it off with a floor pump to make sure we're set up to the pressure. Now it's time for the cockpit. We're going to start with the saddle. The bike came with a really heavy aluminum seat post and Arvada comp saddle, and instead I'm going for the Bontrager Pro carbon seat post and the Arvada Elite saddle with titanium rails. So we'll get that torqued up. Next, it's onto the handlebar. So the lock-on grips come off, then we pull the heavy bar as well as the stem off of the bike. And now you'll see I'm putting a line comp stem on, and if you compare the old bar and stem combo to the new one, it's going to save a lot of weight. Plus, I'm getting the nice color-matched green as well as a little bit longer stem to make the bike fit even better. Now finally, it's time to get the cockpit all torqued back up. So we'll get the handlebar set up with the brake levers and shifter in place. I always like 1 finger between the grip and the brake lever and a 5mm between the lever and the shifter. So with those on, we're all set. Now I should mention I also had my local bike shop put a NX Eagle group set on the bike to make sure I have a wide range of gears when I'm out on the trail. Well, that's it. Now you can see the finished product. I hope you like the look of the bike. I certainly think I've done some cool upgrades on it, and I want to make sure that you let me know down in the comments below what you think, because remember, to win those grips you need to be in the continental United States, you need to be subscribed to my channel, and you need to leave a comment on this video, and after a week I'm going to go ahead and draw a winner randomly and let them know that they've won and get those grips in the mail. So thanks for watching this video. Again, comment down below, hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video, and be sure you're subscribed so you can be entered to win as well as see more videos like this into the future.